me when things weren't going my way. He said to me, I will comfort you and lift your cares away. I asked the Lord to walk with me when darkness was all that I knew. He said to me, never be afraid, for I will see you through. I didn't ask for riches. He gave me strength untold. The moon, the stars, the sun, the skies. He gave me eyes to behold. I thank the Lord for everything. I count my blessings each day. He came to me when I needed Him. I only had to pray, and He'll come to you if you ask Him to. He's only a prayer away. Yes, He's only a prayer away. For His eye is on the sparrow, and I know He watches me. How can I say thanks for the things you have done for me? Things so undeserved, yet you give to prove your love for me. The voices of a million angels could not express my gratitude. All that I am and ever hope to be, I owe it all to Thee. To God be the glory. To God be the glory. To God be the glory for the things He has done. With done